Here's how you're going to easily send a telepathic message to anyone. Hello my powerful creators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Candace if you're new here. On this channel we talk about manifestation, the law of assumption, and personal development. And if you would like to become a powerful creator, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. I post every Tuesday at noon PST, so don't forget to have your post notifications on so that you can be the first to see the videos. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you step-by-step on how to send a telepathic message. A telepathic message is a message through energy. You're not saying something physically to that person, but you are energetically talking to them. So I'm so excited to be showing you how to do this, my powerful creators, so you can start using telepathic messages all the time. So the first thing you want to do is to decide what word or phrase you want to send to that person. So that person you have in mind. And what I mean by one word, it can be like love, hello. It can be a short phrase like I love you, or call me, text me. You know, text me now is a short phrase. You don't want it to be these long paragraphs or whatever. That's what we did in our text message, you know, manifesting a text message. But with this, for a telepathic message, you want it to be short and sweet. So keep it short, keep it one word or a short phrase. Once you have decided what word or phrase you want to send, now I want you to rub your hands together and make them warm. Just begin to rub them together. Once you feel them heat up, I want you to start playing with the energy between your hands. And I can feel energy moving just by doing this right now. And I know you can too, powerful creators. So just feel that energy flowing through your hands. The next thing you're going to do is close your eyes and visualize a white light above your head. It can be a ball or just, you know, spewing light. It doesn't matter, just a white light above your head. And then I want you to visualize that white light coming down from the top of your head to your hands. So you're just feeling that white light within your hands. You're just visualizing it, you're closing your eyes and you're feeling it. And you do this until you feel a calm, meditative state. Now this could be 3 minutes for you, 5 minutes for you, 20 minutes, or maybe you feel it very quickly. 30 seconds is good for you. That's up to you. But make sure you feel calm and at ease. That's what you really want to feel in this moment. Now as you feel that energy between your hands, I want you to visualize that person standing in front of you. So just visualize them right in front of you, facing you. And as you see them in front of you, I want you to bring that energy towards you and then let go of the energy towards them, reaching your hands all the way to the front like that. And as you're doing that, I want you to whisper out loud the message you want them to receive. So if I'm bringing the energy within me right now, and now I'm sending the message to Jack, and my message is hello or love or I love you. So I'm just gonna say, I love you, and whisper it, or hi, or call me. You wanted to whisper it, feel it, move that energy towards that person. And then as you reach and your arms are fully extended, don't just drop your arms. Put your arms out like that, but bring back the sign of silence. That really seals the message. Because you want that energy to go to that person. You don't want that energy and message to come back to you necessarily, because you're doing a telepathic message. Whatever happens after this is up to the universe. You know, you'll see what happens. Maybe they'll text you. But you want to send that energy to them, but bring back this message of silence towards you, because you are sealing the energy. You are telling the universe this message is for that person and that person only. Only do this technique with positivity. Okay? Do not use this to manipulate or negative messages saying, I hate you. No, 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 no. No, you want to do this only with love, okay? Now I want you to comment below, my energy is powerful. My energy is powerful. So make sure you try this technique. Let me know how it works for you. Remember all the steps. You want to feel that energy within your hands. Bring it towards you, then extend it while whispering the message. Okay, and then come back and you're silent. And that's it. You go on with your day, and don't be surprised if you get a message or a call, or they want to see how you're doing, or you know, you get that email back that you've been waiting for, you get that job offer, whatever it is, expect great things for your life. Again, don't forget to comment, my energy is powerful. Comment that. I want to see those in the comments. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions, you can comment them below. And the powerful creator of this video is Carminator. Carminator, thank you so much for being a part of the Powerful Creators community. I truly appreciate your love and support. It means so much to me. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button, and comment this secret word below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations, and follow me on TikTok for videos every single day, sometimes even 3 times a day. So get on that TikTok for me. I would love to see you over there. If you like this video, you like my next video on the most powerful way to manifest a text message, go ahead and watch it. I'll see you over there. Again, thank you so much, Powerful Creators, for watching today's video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Have a beautiful day. Bye.